Miss Shady BTC. You're watching the jumper. Okay, today we're gonna be talking about how to know if a token is renounced, if the ownership of a token is renounced. Okay. Just like in our previous video, we spoke about how to know if the liquidity is locked. Okay. So to check if the ownership is being renounced, there are many ways you can do that. You can do that using you can use some desk scanner to score token sniffer, stay safe and co. You can also use some Telegram bots to do that. Okay, let's dive down to business. At first, we're gonna be using some desk scanner to let's look at this token called Femo Inu. Okay, this Femo Inu, all you just have to do paste the CA of the token on the screener. Just how just right here. In case you don't know how to get how to search for a token on the desk screener, please just go to my videos. You see a video that has been done on how to use the screener. I did a tutorial on that. Okay. Now, let's say we have pasted this the CA now. I have the token. This is the token here. Okay. I want to know if it is renounced. All you just have to do is come to this token sniffer and you click on it. Let's just wait while it loads. Okay, now it's already loaded and it's going 50 over 100. Okay, um, let's look for the whether the ownership is announced. Okay, yeah, look at it now. Contract analysis. You have contract is verified. Contract source is verified. It's verified on the BSC scan. The ownership is renounced and does not contain an owner contract. Creator does not authorize for special permission. So as you can see, this token is the ownership of this token is announced. Okay, but in case you're not satisfied, you still want to use check it out using a Telegram bot. Let's uh let's look at those ones how you can do it using those ones too. Okay. Let's look at how you can do it using those ones too. Okay. Now let's look at some Telegram bots you can use. Okay. On Telegram there are a lot of bots you can use to do that. On Telegram there are a lot of bots you can use to do that. We have the first one which we call the self analyzer bot. We also have another bot called crypto fighter bot. Let's look at this self analyzer bot first. All you just have to do is go to the self analyzer bot and you paste the CE of that particular token just right here. Okay, as you paste the CE right now, you guys can see. Look at this, you can see it right now. The ownership is announced. The ownership is announced. Okay, now in case you are still not convinced, I still want to check more to be sure. You can just look at this tool called the crypto fighter bots. Crypto fighter bot. Just paste the CA again, just like the first one. And you click send, and you can see the ownership is still announced. So on that token, the ownership of that token is announced. Okay. So this is basically how to check if a token ownership of a token is announced. Please do it to subscribe and like the video so it can get to the previously there are people who don't know about it and they've been falling victim to some scammers. Okay, remember the battle is to stop you from getting scammed. Okay, so please, I really apologize for the unprofessionality in the video, but the purpose of this video is just to get people to know about get people educated on this. Okay, so please, I beg you, just do it to subscribe so the video can be ranked higher and some other people can get to see this video. Okay, thank you so much and do have a wonderful day.